Hey guys, so I just finished filming a Shein plus size clothing haul and my husband handed me this box that just came in the mail and I figured that I would do a super chill Allure Beauty Box unboxing. So what do y'all say? Let's get into it. I've been a Allure Beauty Box subscriber for a little while now. I had canceled it for a while and then I resubscribed when I think Nikki Tutorials did her collaboration with them. And so I'm super excited to see because they've been pretty dang on good. So I'm just going to open it up. I'm having to use this like thing. Basically what I use to trim my nose hairs and whatnot. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. It has a little pamphlet to tell you everything that's in the box. And then it comes in this like neon yellow container. I wish it would have just been in the box like it used to be, considering the box was biodegradable and recyclable, but it is what it is. Last month there was a hot pink one and this month is a neon yellow one. And the first thing that I see in here, of course I can see everything because it's clear, but it is a mini makeup eraser. And this is really good for travel. I have a full-size one, and the full-size one I got from TJ Maxx for like $3 or $4. So yeah, let me just open this up so you can see what it looks like. So it's supposed to erase like waterproof makeup and other kinds of makeup. And boy, it is a mini. The second thing that I grabbed is a Cargo Essential Lip Color. And this is in the shade Palm Beach. Let me just... it's been a hot minute since I bought anything from Cargo. Their quality has just not been that great, to be honest. But this is what the color looks like. It's a really pretty bright coral color. And let me just give you a little swatch. Oh, that's very pretty. Actually, it's very, very nice. It doesn't have a smell, which is always good. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Very, very pretty color. I love bright colors. I like any kind of color, really and truly. Any kind of lip color, I'm going to wear it. But this is really pretty, kind of a luster color. It's not a matte sheen. You could also wear these on the cheeks as well. So if you ever want to match your lipstick to your cheeks and vice versa, try your lipstick. The third thing in here is a Benefit They're Real mascara. I think I've had like 6 or 10 of these that I've gotten in different beauty boxes. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway because it's not really my thing. I'm not really that jazzed about this mascara. I prefer the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. So this is going to go in my little giveaway box that I have back here. And the next thing in here is a Larizzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator in the shade Topaz. So usually Topaz doesn't match my skin tone. That is perfectly fine. Oh, this is actually really pretty. So this is what it looks like. I've never heard of the brand Larizzi before. Larizzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam. And it has like a little doe foot applicator. You see that? And I'm just going to kind of put it on the back of my hand. Oh, that's really pretty. That is a very, very pretty color. Kind of blends out to a wet look, which is exactly what I like. I don't like a lot of glitter or anything like that. I like it to look kind of natural. And this is perfect. So I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of this for sure. The next thing in the bag is this Nuria Defend Triple Action Eye Cream. I don't really use eye cream very often. I don't even want to open it because I want to give it to somebody who would actually use this. So I'm going to definitely put this in a giveaway. So this is going to go in that box back there for one of y'all. The second to last thing in the box is this Primera Alpine Water Cream, Alpine Berry Water Cream. I'm not really sure what this is. So, oh wow. I mean to tell you, it's tiny, tiny. And I don't know if you're supposed to put this like on your whole face or just on your lips. It doesn't specify. Kind of smells like ponds. So the final thing in the bag is a Erno Laszlo multitask eye mask serum thingamabobber. And once again, I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway so one of y'all can have it. I'm just not crazy about different masks and things. I don't really use them that much. So it's better to, instead of going in a landfill or something like that, it'll go to somebody who really appreciates it. So yeah, that's going to do it for this unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. The Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. And really and truly, it just depends on the month to tell you whether or not it's worth it or not. I would say this month is definitely not worth it. It's not that great. Got a couple things out of it that I'm going to use. This highlighter and what else? And the Cargo lipstick and maybe the makeup eraser. But besides that, probably nothing else. So yeah, I'm going to put these in here and it's going to go in the box. And yeah, that's going to do it for this video. So short and sweet. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a like. And I'll be seeing y'all very soon. Bye.